Hi, I'm your instructor. I'm Ryan Shadle. I've been at the college since 2007. I started off as a cooperative education coordinator. I transitioned into a writing center tutor, then an English professor, and now an FYE instructor. I've held a lot of positions at the college outside of my regular teaching duties. I was the faculty senate president for 4 years. I am the was the recipient of the 2013 House Bruckman Faculty Excellence Award, which I'm pretty proud of. So those are some of my accomplishments. Um, in my spare time, I run marathons and train like a triathlete because that's just what I like to do. I have a wife and two boys. One of them is 24, and one of them is going to be 3 in a couple of days. I'll let you do the math on that. Um, I consider myself the type of professor that is student oriented. I think any instructor would say they're student oriented, but I don't know about you, but I've had some instructors who were not student oriented who said they were. I really do believe I am. I work really hard at giving my students feedback. When you submit an assignment, I spend as much time, not, I spend a lot of time giving you feedback on the assignment. I was going to say as much as you put into it, but I doubt I'm going to spend quite the exact minute for minute ratio that you spent doing an assignment. Nevertheless, I do try to give you the best feedback I can. Try to give you examples of what I expect. Um, I'll go out of my way to help you out. The best way to contact me is through email. I'll get a hold of you really quick. I have the Microsoft Outlook app. I check it and I'll respond to you. Usually well before 24 hours, but you got to give me 24 hours to respond, unless it's the weekend, in which case you should give me 48 hours. Even then, I've been known to contact students Saturdays, Sundays, or whatever. So I just letting you know that I'm really accessible. The other thing that you should consider doing is joining me on Wednesday Night Live. I'm just going to open up a live Zoom session and we can talk about whatever you need to talk about. I can do that on an individual basis or a group basis. My office hours, as you can see in the link, are pretty much all week, and you can make an appointment and join me during those hours. And if those hours don't work for you, then I'll make it work. We'll figure something out once we can establish a date and time. So that's all I've got about me. I'm excited to work with you guys and help you with your college journey. All right, thanks.